I can live anywhere, but I don't live anywhere. Like I have thoroughly enjoyed this digital nomad chapter of my life, truly. But I'm tired, boo. I'm so tired. Not tired of traveling, don't get me wrong. But I'm tired of always resetting my life, with the temporary housing, the temporary visas, the temporary routines, and always wondering when I'll have to pack it all up again. Yeah, I don't want to run anymore. Well, actually, it's not running. I just like to move around a lot. Or shall I say, I used to. Because I want to build now, right? That's the season I'm in. I want to build. I want roots with range, like a free range human, where I have a real home base and a community and stability and the freedom to travel because I want to, not because I have to. And also some space for a vanity table with the lights around it so I can see myself as I do my makeup. And wig stands so I can get my wig collection popping again. And a trench coat with some calf high boots because I have more seasons than just hot as Hades. Yeah. So, I've looked into the business visas, the marriage visas, the investment visas, retirement visas, even the school visas. I looked into all the visas, but for some reason or another, I don't qualify or something doesn't fit. And I'm just like, ugh, the only path I haven't explored yet is the work visa. So I'm like, okay, I have 2 years of experience as a systems administrator in the Microsoft 365 environment, Azure, identity, SharePoint, all those things at the enterprise level. So I'm like, let me dust off these skills, up level them a little bit, and go take them to a place that needs tech talent, right? So Europe, they have multiple countries who need tech talent. And I happen to have a particular set of skills, right? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't have it all figured out yet at all. But I think it's better to move with direction than perfection. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And if you're up leveling yourself at midlife, whether it's your career, health, finances, or your independence overall, you are not behind. You are evolving and you're so welcome here. So, yes. Okay, Woo. I'll talk to you later. Ciao.